first time ko. Ganda nilang gym ng Bakong. Yan. This All-Star game is scheduled at 7 o'clock here in Bakong. And mga tao ngayon, tinan nyo, daratingan na. So this will be Team A versus Team B, Bakong A and Bakong B. Selection ng bawat barangay. A1 team is now warming up. The former middle player natin. Again, a former middle player. Tingnan natin. Ay! Usop ching, usop, usop. Usop ching. Okay, so alright, tapos na ang warm up. So once again, good day mga kamags. Now, what you're about to see is the All-Star game of the municipality of Bakong here in Negros Oriental. It will be Bakong A and Bakong B. They have divided their teams into two, and they have picked up different players from the different barangays. So this is for women. After this, they will have it for men. So let's watch out. Just try to see the different players from the different schools playing in this All-Star game in Bakong. So Bakong is a southern municipality here in Negros, around 9 kilometers from the city of Dumaguete. So let's listen for the introduction. First to introduce is the Team A. So if you will notice, they have different uniforms dahil nga galing sila sa magkakaibang mga barangay at sila ay pinurma as one team. So for Team A, Bakong. this is now Team B. So may dalawang Miss Bakong dito. Yan, that is Yusawo Salamato. Miss Bakong last year. Yung sa kabila naman ay si Miles Maongko. It recently crowned Miss Bakong. The tallest among them all, sumalit nila may major injury yan sa knee. Right, so that's a new sportsmanship. Shake hands. Alright, so here we go mga kamags. We are about to start the All-Star game here in Bakong for volleyball women. We have Team B on this side, tapos yung Team A on the other side. So they are composed of players from different barangays of this municipality. May mga former varsity players ng mga big schools dito at may mga recent varsity din. So here we go. Start of the game. First serve with Bakong B. Serve, binigay sa gitna. This block, ano natin, this return. Oh! This reception. So the first point goes to Team A. Ano natin, ano mangyayari dito, binigay sa open. Block. Open, with an underhand set. Diretso. Na, binulog. Our tip by Salamato. It's 1-1. First and fourth error of the game committed by Bakong B. To serve is Aris Tayab, grade 11 of Silliman University. Oh, these guys are open. Sabat lumipat. Outside. Yusawo Salamato. Former Miss Bakong serving for Bakong B. Then, it's a return. It is open. Wow. Just block. Another open. Under run set. Ball out. Straight serving 2 in favor of Bakong A yung sa kabila. Ligas open. Kuha, subalit yun, hindi na control. It's 3-on. We have the libero of Bakong B again. The recent libero of Silliman University. That's Kisha Ungayo. Ball check. Subalit yun, in-overrule ng ref. Change lead tayo. It's 4 serving 3. Then, what? Ganun, ano? Yung set ng kabila is underhand. Ano nga to? Lefty. Sumuntas ang rally. Ayan natin. Ready, sa gitna. Overthink, nakuha. Ang tagal ng rally. Seba de Libero. Ito. Ang saya na ng mga audience. Pero I'm wondering, ba't ganon? Yun. So, namatay rin. Another dark luck at 4-all. Again, this is the All-Star game here in Baco. Next, good. Ayun, good pa rin. Kahit tingnan natin anong gagawin. Yes, open. Sa gitna. And outside top. It's 5 serving 4. Yes, open. Hindi na kontrol ng libero. So deadlock at 5-all. Si Pus, tingnan natin. Tingnan sa gitna. Nulog. Ding by Rosales. Rosales Delfino pala. 6 serving 5. Rosales Delfino, my former middle player. 7 serving 5. 2 point lead for Bakong B. Palaging miss timing. Open. Ewan ko lang. Ba't ganito? Service ace by Rosales. 9 serving 5. Lumulobo ang advantage ng Team B. It's now 10. So, Team A calls for a timeout. So, resume ball game tayo. After the timeout by Bakong A. Rosales still serving. At another ace. 11 na. Malayo natin. So, open. Mulog. Yun, hindi nakuha. 12 serving 5. Hindi makarali yung kabilang. Ganda ng serve. Lalo na ito, walang kuhan. Yun. That was Tayag, middle player. 6 serving 12. Kalahati ang lamang ng Team B. It's Team A serving. Yan natin. Open. Ball check. Team B to spike. Yun. Isa pa. Okay, good. Oh. Ito Salamato. 13 serving 6. So, ano to? Anyari. Log. Open, there was a block. Good. Hindi na control. So, it's another point for Team B. This is set number 1. Ano yun? Palipad. Yan, yung magka-teammate sa Siliman nag-aangasan. Yung libero dito sa kayong middle dun sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Ito. Open. Gitna. Yun. Outside. Team A serving. Diretso, subalit ito, tingnan natin. Hindi pumasok. After this, susundan ng mga lalaki. Ganda ng serve. Block na sa Lamato. Yan. So, ayan. They need to stop the game kasi nga medyo talagang malakas ang ulan. At dahil nga nasa gilid lang tayo ng dagat, kaya tingin sa kabila, wala na mga tao dun sa kasi yung ambon pumapasok. Tumawag muna tayo. So nasa na mga may-ari ng mga motor na yan? Gusto nyo malaman? Ito. Yan sila nakatingin sa korte dahil yan, ginulat ang kanilang all-star.